from your Bank of America account. If it was not you, please press 1. We have not received any input from you. We have received a login request from your Bank of America account. If it was not you, please press 1. We need to confirm your identity before blocking this request. Please enter the 6-digit confirmation code we have sent you, your number followed by the pound key. You have entered 564564. Press 1 to confirm or press 2 to re-enter. We have successfully verified your identity. If any amount debited, no need to worry, it will be credited back to your account within 24 hours. Thank you very much. Goodbye.